Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So we're coming back to this Grand Design Momentum. It's a towable, and my tech is upgrading the batteries and the solar controller to be lithium capable. And something that he just came across, and he just spoke to Sam, one of our service advisors, was what we wanted to show you was, look how big the inverter cables are to the batteries, and then it jumps down to the next size, right? And then as you see here, you see the ground cables that's off the fuse, and then the smart shunt. I think that's what that is, that little guy down there.
Yeah, from Victron.
From the Victron. So this cable is a lot thinner compared to these. So he's going to end up, when he corrects the wiring, he's going to end up remaking some of the ground cables so they're bigger, so they can handle more of a ground to the system. So, all right. Well, if you have any questions or comments, or if you need to get a quote for replacing or upgrading to the solar system, lithium batteries, inverters, give us a holler. Our telephone number here is 209-263-7040. We're located in Lodi, California. We do a solar consultation. So we do charge for that, but we spend at least an hour with you, and we go over like what kind of batteries, how many you're looking for, what you're trying to accomplish, good places where we can mount things. Because sometimes owners will come in and say, I want it here, and I want it here doesn't necessarily work. So, sometimes it's too far away, causes a power voltage loss and whatnot. So anyway, stay tuned for more. After he gets this bad boy connected, like in the previous video, we've got to double check to make sure that his converter is lithium capable. One of our other techs looked at it, so I'm assuming that it is, but it's always best to double check, triple check. That's what we do. Keeps us safe, keeps you safe, and keeps us all out traveling and having fun. All right, well, thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more of what's in the shop.